Alright guys, welcome back to Mudrunner. In this video I'm going to explore more of Oxford County, the rebuild. We're going to be in F19s G Patrol. Alright, so probably going to get in this road and probably head around to the left. And actually sorry, no, the right. We'll explore a bit of that side. So still got a bit to do. Let's get into it. Alright, actually I might just get a thumbnail in here. Alright, off we go. Sorry, I've been a little bit inactive for the last few days. I've been busy with work, and then Thursday after work I went and got some tattooing done, and then Friday I had some family over, so no gaming, and then I had work today, so could do it a little bit late. That's right, we're back and ready to go. Ooh, we've got some mud and water. Yes, let's go. That's it, splash. Oh no, we're bogged. Damn, I was a rocket, that's why. Oh, smashing through. Making up for lost time. Whoa. Now which way do I want to go? Yeah, I reckon we'll go around to the right and we'll explore a bit more of this side of the map, then we'll do the other side in another video. Yeah, I've been keen to hop on. It's been a couple of days since I've been on the computer. So, let's put this back in auto. Go through here a bit more. What is that way? Ooh. We're gonna have to go this way, of course. What does it say? Warning. Oh yeah. All wheels diff lock required. Alright, let's see what we've got coming. Straight off the bat, it's a steep climb coming up. Come on, Mighty Patrol, let's do it. We're gonna high center, I reckon, though. Come on, go. That front was rough. Come on, get up. Whoa. The bounce, that'll work. It worked. Alright, next step. And pop that wheel up. Come on. Up you get. That's it. Or did I celebrate too early? Come on, up you get. I'm sort of high centering where I am, I think. Sorry, not high centering, just getting no grip. We've just got a little bit of clearance as we can see. See if we can just get some grip in low gear. Hopefully we can crawl over this spot. There's a bit of rocky stuff coming up. Back a little bit, see if we can get some grip on this rock. Oh, maybe we might have something here. Come on. A little bit of left, a little bit of right. I think we've got it. Very good. Up we go. That's it. Up the next step. Come on, go. Got it. That's it. Yeah. Hearing things. All good. Oh, it's good. Well, this makes it a bit tricky. I mean, that goes down. I wonder if we can go down. Actually, we could probably go up and then back around that circle, come back down, and then continue on. Yeah, we could do that. Let's do that. Oh, there goes me bloody bull bar. Damn. Now she's all scratched up. Slow us down a little bit. Tracks are just going everywhere. I don't even know where to go. Very overwhelmed with the pink. Oh yeah, that's a nice little thumbnail to maybe use for the video cover. I'm gonna go give the patrol a dirty old wash. Ready? 3, 2, let's get past this rock. And then we're just gonna send it. Go for it. Come on. That's it. Oh. Definitely got a bit of power behind it, which is good. There's too many tracks. Too many. Oh, we do have some more mud coming up. Oh. This is going to drift a bit. Yeah, it's got crazy. Let's slow down a bit. So excuse my driving. It's been a few days since I've been on this game. I don't look at the computer at all. It's like, I think it's like a bypass track. Tracks in the middle is probably where we want to be at. I reckon the next track we see that goes into the center, maybe we'll take that. So I ain't seeing much, apart from these little distribution rocks, I ain't seeing much rocky rocks on this track. It's even muddy inside the car, that's how you know you're having fun. I think that's just it's up here. There's like a little lookout or something, like a little watch area. Wonder if we can flex on this stump or is it gonna break? Let's go back a little bit. Take try to get that bull bar up. Just come on. This is not gonna work, I don't think. Or will it? Oh ho ho! Damn. Let's get in some flex time. That's tough. Surprised we got up there. Very good though. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's get... Oh! Almost took the bull bar off going back down. Alright, let's continue on for a bit more. Probably got like another video or two in this map, I reckon, and then we'll be done. It's not super huge, but it does pack a punch. It is a fun map. This is not a public mod on Steam either. All of Smart 19 maps you have to purchase. I think it's a one-time payment and you've got access to everything. I don't think he's making maps anymore. He hasn't been active for a long time, unfortunately. So I don't think, I'm not sure if he's adding any more to the collection. But he does have some really good maps. And he's a very good map maker. He's one of the people that inspired me to try map making. Still feel like my maps are crap, but I guess that's whenever someone's making something of their own, they always think it's not great. Now, which way are we gonna go? Could go through there. That would sort of just link back. I'm trying to make sure I get most of the tracks. I reckon we'll go. It's hard to say. I can go up, go back. Looks like I sort of missed a track. No, I don't reckon we're going to see much through there. I reckon we'll go straight. There's a couple of little rocks up here. Let's go through there. Let's see what we can find. Alright, let's continue on for a bit more. Probably got like another video or two in this map, I reckon, and then we'll be done. It's not super huge, but it does pack a punch. It is a fun map. This is a couple of little rocks up here. go. There's trails everywhere. Tough choice. Which way do I want to go? Because we're not super far from the garage. We'll go around this way. Even if we get another vehicle. I'm saying that way does look pretty good, so does this way though. It's always hard when there's lots of tracks to choose from. You just don't know which way you want to go. You want to try and stay en route so you can explore the whole map, but at the same time, if I miss one trail, it's not the end of the world. Up we go, that's it. Good. Good. Straight back up. That's it. Go. Oh, slid off there. I'm sort of back to another trail we've been at, so yeah, I think we're about here. Alright, I'm gonna end this one up here. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.